Hey, Tom.
Yeah?
Remember when I was talking to you about how there's low inventory in certain neighborhoods? And maybe we should go knock on some doors and see if someone may want to sell their home and potentially buy a new one?
What? What are you talking about?
We had this discussion. I have a great idea since it's Halloween month for door knocking. Are you going to be able to help me out?
I don't have time for that.
Why are you being so cranky?
Come on.
You know what? I don't need this attitude. I have a better idea. All I need is this. Now.
Hey, what are you doing? Where are you going with me? Hey!
All right, looks like I'm all set to go door knocking. What do you think? You think it's gonna be a little scary? You think they'll open the door for me?
I'm not sure that's a good idea.
I think you may be right. I think I'm gonna leave you for another time. I'm just gonna sit you right here. You know what could be really good for my door knocking? A kid dressed up in a Halloween costume. Oh, perfect. Kaitlyn, you wanna go door knocking? I mean trick-or-treating with me today?
Sure, that sounds like fun.
Yes, perfect. Let's go.
Hey, what about me?
Well, that worked out great. They're gonna list their home with me. Thanks for helping today, Kaitlyn.
Yeah, but I didn't get any candy.
Well, I guess you just learned what the trick means in trick-or-treat.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Two can play at that game. That was fun. Let's see what else I can turn them into. Happy Halloween!